Yo. So here we are in gold, and there is a massive gap that I just came into. It's going, it says all price through London. We're bearish right now. Very risky move, but the only move right now. So if it taps my gap and rejects, then I'm gonna have to take the risk and take it for 20 points. What's up, bud? Yo. Oh, what's up, boy?
Fucking piece of shit phone, bro. That shit wasn't plugged in. I went to sleep. Wasn't charging.
Well, we're right about the only trade that we have for the day, if it gives it to us. So on gold right now.
Yes, because it's melting.
Yeah, but it just like we need this 15-minute candle close for it to become a new lower low. So then we'd have to wait for till 10 to see if we get a move. Gold just entered the gap. Um, in the channel. I'm literally about to enter.
Shit.
I gotta wait till this 1 minute closes. That's it. I'm in.
Not gonna wait for it to touch the gap.
I touched it.
Yeah, it did.
This is a very risky move though,
It looks a little risky.
because of the humongous gap that it just bounced off of, like that market open gap.
Did you get your schedule for next week? Well, you
Yeah.
also know your schedule.
Yeah, Monday and Wednesday.
I didn't get my schedule.
Strange.
Didn't look like it filled the gap completely.
No, it didn't fill the gap. It touched it. Mm, mm.
You got your shifts for next week, like it shows it.
Yeah,
I don't see anybody's shifts.
might be your app. That's it. It broke the channel again. So if you're gonna enter, it's gonna be pretty soon. But oh, no, dog, gotta go take a shit. Oh. My entry is 487.
But how much? How much you enter with?
Huh?
How much did you enter with?
3 micros. So my stop loss is 200 and 262 dollars. Dollar bills, y'all. Mm, 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 mm. This was a big 50-50 chance trade for me, but I can still go because it's still a real trade. That gap either has that I would like to see that gap, that market open gap, get filled, not just tested.
Let's see.
Ah, and my TP will be around 462 for 25 points.
See,
Did you enter?
yeah,
Where's your entry?
4087.
Nice. Yeah, pretty much the same as mine. Um, and what's your stop loss?
It's at the last high, like 40, 100.
Oh, okay, mine's like 496.
Shit just barely bounced off, like filled the bounced off the hour gap again.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if I can break that shit.
Let's see how the new hour looks for us. I like how the 1 hour is gonna close out now in 4 minutes. Man, 5 minutes. Oof, come on, baby. Good job, man. All right, so in the next 5 minute candle, if it stays here, I'm gonna lower my risk to the trend line break, which is 492.
Mm-hmm.
Um, because that'll put me at a weak ass risk of 139 bucks. And if I lose 139 bucks, then you gotta give a fuck. Oh god. Oh man, you see, like my TP, even if I get the 25 points, is 700. But in my head, dude, 700 is nothing, you know? It's unfortunate how fried we are in that sense. ES is setting itself up for a nice move though. So I'll probably take that one also if it gives it to us in the next little while because it's melting right now and it left a gap around 4502. Um and it still hasn't filled that giant market open gap. So if the next 15-minute candle closes right here and it goes back to that gap, I would love to take ES to go fill this freaking market open gap. I would love for this M15 on gold to close bigger than the bullish one. That would be the most beautiful thing ever. All right, that's it though. I'm lowering my risk down to 492. That's enough.
Yeah, I think that's straight.
Fucking textbook, nigga. You can't make this shit up. Let me go to the bathroom real quick. I mean, I'm gonna do some more. You know what's crazy about this trade though? Look at this. I'll show you right now.
Nice move.
Look at this. The candle was above our lower high. So if that candle would have, if this M15 would have closed in the gap, it would have been GG's.
Mhm.
Wow, bro, I'm already up 441.
Me too.
What's my name,
Big
bro?
money.
What's my name, bro?
Dude, Sam Bird.
Yes, sir. Put some respect on that shit, nigga.
No money maker. Shit out here.
Nigga, this is if one M15, if two M15 clears this trade, bro, that's it, bro. Beautiful Monday morning, Dougie. Beautiful day to start the week if this gives us this trade, bro. Something must have happened. Trump said, nah, never mind. We're bombing them again.
Nah, be a way bigger move.
Uh, the
We'll
new
break
the
even.
new 4 hour just opened with the new 1 hour with the new M15. All of them just opened together.
We'll break even now.
No, no, because the 1 hour EMA is at our entry. The M15 EMA is right below our entry. I'm not gonna break even yet, but you could if you want.
If it goes up, it'll take us high anyways, right at that peak.
Or if it has to like break our entry and then go up what freaking 5 points a top. But yeah, no, break even seems pretty valid though. But but the supply literally happened at our entry. So I wouldn't even want to do that. Yeah. But
It's just like 100 bucks.
let's look at MES because it melted a lot, bro. Yeah, I think this is GG's. There's no way. If an
But
M15
that
comes out 30 points up, nigga.
for MES,
Yeah. Yeah, it's filling the gap, nigga. That's it. The entry was that first original one that I saw, but we still weren't bearish for that first one.
mm,
Oh yeah, we were. What the fuck am I talking about? Look at that. Oh yeah, that's textbook. But I don't think it tapped the gap. No, it didn't. Didn't tap the gap. So would have got no entry. Taunt, taunting, taunt, taunting, taunt, taunting, taunt.
Chill, go. Don't do that.
I'm not really even worried about this, to be honest, bro.
That looks really good.
It does.
But chill.
Watching go stop us out.
But chill.
Oh, that's funny, bro.
So you gonna do homework workouts, you know?
Yeah, I'm gonna start doing home workouts. The park, running, just
Really?
maybe I'll get a no limit fitness membership, but I don't really want to do the LA fitness anymore, bro.
Yeah, definitely.
Even though I love LA, bro, but honestly, I just like that's just something I've been feeling that is a good idea for me. So I gotta
It's
trust that.
good, bro. Without temptations,
Yeah, bro. It's not even temptation, dog. It's just like unnecessary fucking
distractions.
yeah. That's a way better word. Distraction. I'm not tempted to do anything, you know.
Yeah.
So temptation is not the right word. Distraction is definitely a good one. Come on, Goldsky, just give it to us. I say you did your little pullback. You get your little pullback going. Now just
Bruh,
get your little melt back going. You know what I'm saying? Yo,
that's
come on.
all you need.
That's all you need. You got your little liquidity. You got your little bullshit. All that little bullshit niggas be talking about. Not just come get that shit, bro.
Oh, this shit. Stop looking at it and just let it ride.
You're funny. You're stressed?
Yeah, bro. I'm trying to pass these five,
Oh
man.
yeah, I feel you, bro. I understand. How much you gonna make it if it goes all the way to CP?
700.
Okay.
Maybe
If it melts below the lowest point of
how much can you make?
oh, I'm gonna make 755. But if it melts below the lowest point of like when it started reversing just now,
Yeah.
then I'm gonna break even. We had a little channel going. It broke the channel. Not a crazy break, but it broke it.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby. You know you wanna give it to us because we are a disciplined young man.
Oh, it's not going. Oh, it's going. Oh, it's not going. But that's what it feels like looking at the 1 minute or a
Yeah,
one
yeah,
minute
yeah,
camera.
yeah. You're funny.
Fucking hate them. Like, oh, there we go. Oh,
I expect the
no,
wick. Like on the 1 minute, bro, I expect the wicks. Like,
there we go. And then it fucking just like goes up for a second and stresses you out.
oh man.
Let's see, left the time 10, left the gap. No, didn't need
Nah,
there's like
it ain't leave shit. It left it on the M5 though. But fuck the M5, nigga.
fucking fine.
I hate this 1 minute weakness that it's showing.
Yeah, it's like super wicky.
Even on ES though, it's giving the same 1 minute weakness on this M15.
Testing that hour gap. No, that hour gap's invalid now. It's been using that area like a support. That hourly, that gap that we when we took the last trade.
Oh, oh yeah. I already deleted that shit. I don't even see that shit.
Give me everything tonight.
Duber says smack gold this morning. Nigga takes such little trades, bro.
took it to he took it to 40 like 77.
Yo, he's so funny, bro.
It took it for like he probably threw like 2 contracts at that bitch.
I just sent him a picture of what I'm in right now. All right, now I'm gonna break even. Oh, there you go. I see it right here.
What?
Um, his move right here on Discord. Oh, my phone wasn't even freaking charging the entire night, dude. I plugged it into my AirPods thinking that it was my iPhone, bro. Oh my god, bro. I'm surprised I even have battery. Yeah, that nigga Duber, bro. That nigga Duber took it, dog, for freaking. I'll tell you right now. Let's see,
You took it from our entry
bro.
to
He took it for 7 points, nigga,
from our entry to 4077. I'm
to
guessing
40.77. No, to 40.78.
right where the last low was.
He took it with one mini, with a tight stop.
That's like how much? That's like 500, 600, 700.
7 points with one mini is like 700, yeah. Which is RTP if we catch this big ass mole. Well, it's not a big ass mole.
Niggas instinct to get out right now.
Nah, bro, he just does that. He does the 1 to 2. Like, that's how he does it. He does 1 to 2. So whatever his stop loss was, that's what he did for his take profit. And since on Traderify, you can measure. I mean, on TradingView, you can measure before you enter. That's how he does it. So he just measures the trade he wants, and he sees how much his TP is gonna be based on how much he enters with.
Mm. New 15-minute candle coming again. Let's see. Test that gap right there. Oh no, I'm tripping. That's the 15. I mean the 5 minute. 5 minute gap. Fuck the 5 minute gap. Just keep going. Y'all need that shit.
You really don't need that shit. If I entered a menu like Duber, nigga, we'd be up right now like a band. We would have made 1,400 off of the first M15 candle. But we would have also had $1,000 stop loss, and we would have been down like freaking um in the beginning. We would have been down like I, I don't even know, nigga, how much, bro. Damn, bro, we gonna end up breaking even on this trade, bro. This nigga Duber, bro. That's so funny to me, bro. To me, that's such a weak trade, nigga. That's a straight scout, nigga.
You can say that. Watch me get stopped out.
Nah, we get stopped out break even, nigga. We took a real trade, nigga. It doesn't make a trade just because you win doesn't mean that the trade is like a good trade. That's not how you measure how trades are, nigga. Hold up. Let me go to the bathroom. Let me do something.
Oh, you broke, bro. The other one.
You measure a good trade based on risk to reward. He did a tight stop right there. That was probably like a $500 to 5 point stop, nigga. That's crazy to me, bro. That is the work. That is That's
But also,
mad
his account's
risk.
more built than ours.
Huh?
His account's more built than ours, so he can risk it.
I don't know, dude. Yesterday he was sitting on my chair and he opened his top step. I only saw $600 balance. And then I asked him how many accounts you got. He said I got my 6 top step. But last I checked, he had 13 accounts, didn't he? I ain't trying to pocket watch my dog. Dog, love that nigga, but
No, of course not.
I don't like the way he trades, bro. Like in the sense of like what he's doing right there with those little fucking little scalps, nigga. Fuck that shit, bro. Right here, we took a real trade. We took it. We had a 8-point stop loss, $300 8-point stop loss. We're going for 25 points on a Monday morning, which last Monday and Friday we said smaller moves.
Mm.
You remember? It's struggling to go down, but it's also struggling to go up. So if you look at the 1 minute, there's a 1 minute inverse gap right there, a 1 minute gap, and there's that. It's at the same place as the 5 minute gap. So if it disrespects that, then GG's, we're gonna break even, and it was a good attempt. And if it respects that,
You can never again.
yeah. I'm saying that no, we haven't broken
Oh.
even. We haven't. It hasn't stopped us out.
I get you.
Hold on. Let me go get my coffee real quick. But I don't even mind how slowly it's climbed to that M5 um EMA. You know what I mean?
Market by a channel.
Huh?
So you can market by a channel.
Yeah, but then what do you mark, the bodies or the wicks? I don't like marking wicks, so it could very easily break the channel just now. I'd rather do a trend line for this. Come on, bro. This little consolidation right here is wild, bro. That nigga Duber, dog. I'm like gooped out of how freaking small of a trade he took, bro. If I showed that to Chino and Blizz in their unprofitable minds, they'd be like, that nigga scalped him, bro. That's a scalp, nigga. That's a scalp, nigga. That's not a real trade, nigga. Scalping is real though, but it's just a lot more risk in my opinion. Like how we went into drawdown, if that would have happened to him, because he entered on the last break of the channel. So he had the cleanest entry. Um, but if he would have gone into drawdown, he would have freaking got smoked, nigga.
Yeah, for real.
Smoked out like a Swisher Sweet.
The big ass I guess you could say resistance zone at like 4083. I think that's what consolidation is.
Yeah, the main thing giving me confluence is this fat ass gap, nigga, that market opened with. Even if we're bullish, it probably wants to fill this gap and then slide. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
Come on, baby. So then this will put you at 51 300 if you get this trade.
No, I'm at 50 200
Oh, fire.
200 50 1200 5,000 50,000 51,000 1200. What the fuck is wrong? Jesus.
Yo, why'd you say there we go, nigga? Just for another yellow candle to come through with the same size as the previous black one, nigga?
Anymore. I'm changing the shit off the wall and going to 5 minutes. But it won't be. I'll go to the 3.
Nah, it's gonna go now. Watch. It's gonna go now straight to our break even. Come on, nigga. Don't start creating another bullish trend line, nigga. Dog. What's this fucking what is going on here, bro? What the hell's going on? But I don't even understand. Like honestly. I'm about to just take my profits, nigga.
We reached some lows and then it blasted up on open. Market open on 6. Uh, it looked like overall market structure, but I was expecting some sort of retracement at least.
Yeah, because of the hole. Like I don't know if your chart has a hole too, but
Yeah.
there you go. That's what I want to see. Giant yellow candle. Then nigga took 1 mini on gold, bro. Dog. You know he's always been like that though. Like, but he doesn't. But he know. But the reason that I get on his ass is because he's talked to me about not wanting to be that way.
What way?
The minis, the like using mini contracts. He's told me the reason I'm using these $200-300 risk is because he was the one telling me that.
Yeah.
He was like, "Yo,
You know his like risk ratio, but like when to risk.
nah." He took a chance on that one, nigga. Dude, if anybody knows the charts, he tells it all the time, nigga. You could have your edge, bro, but the chart's gonna do what the chart's gonna do, nigga.
Yeah, that gap wasn't completely filled, like filled correctly.
Yeah, nigga. What? That to me is a risk, nigga.
It'll wipe them out easy.
Easy, bro. 5 points, nigga. That's one candle, nigga.
I like that 5 minute.
I do too, brother. Nah, bro. But you know why you know why I trade like this though? This is like why everything like I'm just blessed, dog. I really am just a blessed ass nigga, bro. Because I learned a lot from Duber and his strategy, but then I also have learned a lot from Chino and Blizz. And Chino and Blizz trade like this, like they go for big moves only.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? The reason I even know about points is because of Chino and Blizz. Like when I first started trading, I would be like, look what I caught. And they were like, nigga.
How many points is that?
No, they'd be like, that's a 2 point stop loss, nigga. What the fuck is that, nigga? You just asking to get stopped out. And I'm like, nigga, but look at work. And he's like, nah, but still, nigga. My stop losses are 10 points. And I'm like, what? 100 pips, nigga. That means that if it goes against, if I get stopped out, that means I was all the way wrong, nigga.
This trend line that broke when it reached the high after the market opened.
Bruh.
Filled that gap, then dropped down, then like consolidated in that area. Market trend line by it. And now it's like at that point. I might make that, might take profit. It's gonna like $400.
Nah, bro, I'm taking that shit to the downside, bitch ass nigga. What I might do though is
Forty sixty seven.
I might put my break even at 40.81. So even if it breaks me even, then I break even at $100.
Yeah,
But you're in your test, nigga. So it's a little different. So you do whatever you feel like you have to do, nigga. If I was in my test like you right now, nigga, the reason I passed because I took a mini on ES and I took 6 micros on gold the day before, and I smacked both of them. I like this trade though, bro. It hasn't broken market structure. If you put a trend line from the top of the break down, there's a M1 trend line that it just tapped. If it breaks that, it's safe to say, get the fuck up out of there, gang. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Just tap our TP, nigga. Just tap our TP. Show him who's daddy. Show him who daddy really is. Show him you love me. Oh my god, I forget that I'm recording myself.
respect that you find, bro. But you break that shit
Where's that trend line coming from?
from the like the highest high, market down, highest time, like a lower time frame.
On the
And
M1?
then they push to the next candle. You could like the only other candle you can market by.
Send me a picture. Let me see it. That's a new M15. We might have to wait another fucking 30 minutes, nigga.
Very ass picture.
It's either gonna give it to us right now or we're gonna wait another 30 fucking minutes, nigga.
You see that though?
But how is that a trend line though, nigga?
It broke it.
It broke it.
Upside, and then now it's at that point
But
again.
wouldn't you say though?
But I don't think it's gonna do anything. I
I
think
I
it's
see why you have so many trend lines. Wouldn't you say that after it broke it, that trend line is done now?
yeah, but sometimes it could come back down to that point. It broke it for the upside. It could
Yeah,
come back down and retest it, then jump up. But I don't see any
but it,
real
it did it
weakness.
did retested it and jumped up. So then that's it, you know? In my
Yeah,
opinion, that's how I would look at it. Like I would be
that
like, it's
is
done.
that's true.
I delete it. That's why like when you were like, oh, that 1 hour gap that is coming back down to, like I don't even have it on my screen anymore. It's over.
I guess there's no reason for me to have it. It respects it a little bit sometimes, but like
I feel like it
there's
just
not really a need
yeah,
to
it
keep it there because it just distracts me a
but
little
it
more.
the respect that it's giving might just be price action and you might be looking at it like that because you have it on your screen, not because it's actually because of the trend line. You get what I'm saying?
That's true.
Because then if we move like that, nigga, we're cooked because then there's endless trend lines and endless gaps that are forever
Mhm.
in existence. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Come on, bro. We're so close to TP, bro. Don't fucking. It's a new M15. Just go down and then wick. Go down wick and show them why we're like that. Don't go back up to the EMA and doing all this shit, bro. Come on, bro. Please, nigga. Oh my god, bro.
She's gonna just stay right here for the next 15 minutes.
Hopefully. Hopefully, because we're still under that 1 minute trend line. I just don't want to see it break that 1 minute trend line.
On my stop, nice hundo right above the gap on the 5 minute.
That's 100. That gives me 47 bucks, nigga.
Not right above it, but like just in
If
the
I
middle of
if I put it at 481, I get 176. I'm about to just take my 500, nigga. Nah, 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 nah. Not yet. Not yet. Be a man, brother. Be a man. Hold that shit. That's why entering with low risk is so important. Because now you could actually be a man and hold that shit.
you got some sort of profit. I got my stop at 40.83.
Where's your TP? Mine's at 46220.
40.62.
Come on, bro. We can get that shit right now. I'm gonna go take a piss, and I hope that when I come back, we already hit TP. Gosh darn it, bro. Did I put that freaking UV leak finder on my car, and it made my AC cold, but dog, the mechanic texted me today. He said, "Good morning. Sorry to hear that. I was not expecting that from your truck being so new. Bring it so we can remove that freon and put the other freon in dye. The cost to recharge, put dye in it, diagnose the leak is 160. I put everything into one low cost. This is to identify where the leak is. Once we find it, then we put an estimate together depending on where we found the leak to repair it. Keep in mind, these leaks can sometimes be tricky to find. So I ask customers to be a little patient with this process. Let me know when we can drop off the truck so we can get started. Thanks." Nigga, it's just money on money, nigga. My car's in the last 2 months is costing me hundreds of dollars, bro.
Mine is cost me thousands.
Yeah,
That's
thousands of dollars.
already paid off like 17 grand on my car.
Well, me too, but I still owe 20.
I just give it to us.
Well, I just tapped that 1 minute trend line and it's rejecting off of it. So as long as it doesn't wick or give us a bullish giant candle afterwards. I like how this looks right now. Damn, bro, 160, nigga. Gosh, damn, dog. I make money and then it's just like I gotta spend it, dog. Gosh darn it, dog. I made 400 yesterday at the barbershop.
Yeah.
Now I gotta spend that.
Yes, be like half of that shit. How much debt you got total?
10 bands. Well, no, 10 bands, just credit cards. 30 with the truck. 36 with the school. Um, mm,
36?
yeah, so I owe 6,000 for my license.
Yeah,
Um, for,
36,000 dollars. Yo,
well,
I'm looking. I'm scrolling through YouTube, and this dude took the same exact trade as us. And he's got the same trend line marked up.
the same 1 minute.
Oh no, never mind. He didn't take it. He didn't take the trade. I think he's waiting on a reverse.
I'm telling
Go
you, bro.
bitch.
I'm about to just
He's
take.
betting on a reversal.
I'm about to just take my freaking 450, bro.
Oh no, I'm tripping. This is NQ he's looking up. NQ looking up.
That's all these little YouTube faggots trade, bro.
NQ.
Let us. That's it, bro. I think I'm gonna close out here.
Yeah, I think so. Oh my god, it's forming.
I don't know. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Hold on.
Just lower my stop and see if it starts me up.
Ah, but I don't wanna close the day out with 200. I'd rather close it out with 400. Or should I just hold like a man, bro?
I lowered my stop to 40.75. Get stopped out easy there, kind of.
For sure, bro. The 15-minute EMA is at freaking 478. Come on, it's still respecting the M1 trend line. Come on, bro. Just continue. Just continue, baby. You got that, babe. Come on, baby girl. GC for girl cutie. Nah,
So
all right. I'm gonna just put my stop loss at 472.
yeah, that's what I'm doing. Right above it. Fuck it.
That's it. That's enough taps on
Whatever
that shit.
happens, happens.
That's enough taps on that, bro.
That's 440 for me.
That's 434 for me, which is still a W morning, bro. W didn't start the week.
Damn, I got my shit too low actually. Chill. Right here. $100.
It's gonna do one or the other now because it's literally at that trend line, bro.
Yeah. It's just been wicked, so I'll keep pushing.
Come on, Bresky. Come on, Bresky. Come on, Bresky. Don't be a wick. Be a solid candle. And give me another solid candle. Oh, whole ass nigga, bro. Straight up, bro. I'm bro. Wow.
Bro.
Wow, that's a whole wig, bro. It's a whole ass wig, nigga.
You looking at the 1 minute?
Yeah, hell yeah, bro. That's it. I'm managing my trade. The 1 minute is the one you manage this shit at, bro. It's over with. It tapped the N5 gap though with the last 5 minute candle.
Mm. It's probably got my stop out.
Me too. No, it's just gonna ride the wall of this trend line all the way to our TV, bro. Which I don't mind. I don't care about that. I'm cool with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Cause I like 755 a lot more than I like 434. 755 will put me at 51,100.
Off your buffer.
Yeah.
Cross accounts.
Yes, sir. But you see, realistically, with the way that I'm trading like this, going for big moves with low risk, um, I could realistically make my accounts last a long time. With the way Duber just entered, he can't make him last. There's no way. You just have one bad week, nigga.
Yeah, that's true. Might
And
get like half of it, especially when you're taking the payouts out.
more than half, nigga.
Let's see what this new 5 minute look like. Minute.
I think whenever this new M15 comes, I'm gonna just close out.
Just let it ride. My stop fucking.
No, that's it. I closed out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm cool. That's it. For 500 for the day. 498 to be exact.
Nice.
It broke the trend line finally.
Yeah, I'm out.
How much you make?
427.
Cool, man. That's a 1 or 2. We risk 200.
Much, but it hardly even took 200 from me. Like it didn't even go up at all.
Oh no, me neither. Yeah. Because we put our stop way past the break of the channel.
Yeah, put it at the high. It was like two at the of the gap. I mean,
Uh-huh.
good.
Watch this new M15 just melt. Nah. Nah, it's going up, nigga. It's gonna go test the EMA.
Yeah,
It might, it might just, but it's probably gonna end up going all the way to the bottom of this gap.
it might go back up to our country too before it does.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, you mean the gap above? Yeah.
No. I mean the gap of open. It's gonna end up going to 458 probably.
I think so.
Yeah. And the fact if it goes all the way back to our entry, then that means that it's a complete reverse of market structure.
Yeah, a big candle, a 15-minute candle like that. Be crazy.
Whatever. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. The only reason that I even said let's close out already is because it's Monday. You know, how many times we're gonna learn that same lesson?
Good shit, though.
Thanks, bud. You too, bud.
Get it for buys.
Yeah, right, nigga. That's like asking to give your money back. Let me see. Let's see how ES looks like though. Oh hell no. Yeah, nah. Yeah, I'm good on ES. That's a big boy mount already, bro. Best bet on ES is fucking buying right here.
That was a nice ass move on US stuff.
Yeah, but it didn't tap the gap, so there's no entry.
Yeah, with 3 micros too, we would have probably made like the same amount.
I would have took it for 6. Remember, ES is half. So 1 micro on gold is a point 0.5 micro on ES. Because
Shit.
ES is $5 per point on each micro, and gold is $10 per point on each micro.
Yeah.
So 1 mini on ES is 5 micros on gold. W morning in the chat. Light 500, 498, or 489, something like that. It was a good move. We went into profit quick. Only risk 250, which is what I really want to be doing. Yeah, man. W morning. See you guys again tomorrow. Peace.